What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've been gone for a year, and I've only made one video in the last 2 years, so I guess kind of gone for 2 years. But I rebranded the channel. Now it's called Track Day Chuck. I asked a few people on my Instagram, that's what my Instagram is called, if I should make some more videos, and pretty much everybody said yes. So here I am. I've moved since the last time you've seen me. I'm in a new garage. I have actually I've been through 2 cars, I think, since the last time you see me, and I have a pretty cool one on order. So today, the plan is to show you the new garage, talk about the state of the channel and kind of what's going on in my life and my garage. And then, yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Thanks for watching. Cue the montage. Okay, well that was fun. It's a little steamy out here, so if I look sweaty, it's because I've been dancing around and making silly montages. So this is my new garage, 12-foot ceilings, as everybody always asks. 12 foot or roughly 12 foot, a little bit above. It's a tandem 3-car, tandem 2-car, whatever you call it. It's got a standard 2-car door. So it's 8-foot door actually, so it's a little bit taller. But this front section is roughly 21 by 21, so let's call it 20 by 20 just to make it a general 2-car garage. And then that back section is it's double deep on this one side, so it's actually an extra 18 feet deep and 12.5 feet wide. You know, the lift had to come along for the ride, so same lift I had in my last house. We actually had it paid to have it moved here. It cost me $800. The guy stored it for a month because we had a gap between the 2 houses. But basically, I tried to sell it to the old owner, or to the new owner of my old house. And he saw it in the garage and basically looked at me like, what is that? So I knew pretty quickly that he didn't want it. He was more worried about the holes in the concrete that would be left over after we removed it. So yeah, so I had it moved here. I toyed with the idea of getting a 2-post, but decided to keep my 4-post with my bridge jack. And yeah, it fits great, fit perfectly in this back little section. You know me, I measured it like 45 times before I got it here and got it all set up. Let me show you how it fits in the space. All right, you have to forgive me a tiny bit. It's a little bit messy in here with all my kids' stuff everywhere. But basically, the back section, like I said, is 18 feet deep and 12.5 feet wide. So what I did is I offset the lift slightly that way. So I got a nice little walkway down this side. And actually, I still got room to sneak by on this side if needed. Actually, a little bit more room than my last garage. So it's nice, makes it super nice. You can walk down this side of the garage without any issue. I set it on the back side here to be basically almost in line with this wall. So roughly in line with the wall. Obviously you put the ramps on, it gets a little bit longer, but it keeps everything in this back section. And then I still had plenty of room up front to have some space to stand and work, and then workbench right on the other side, and obviously toolbox and everything like that. So yeah, plenty of space up here. Obviously I got stuff in here right now, and then plenty of space to lift the car and have another car underneath. All right, so let me tell you about some stuff that we did to the garage here after we moved in. So I already installed some lights. See up there? These are just straight off of Amazon. I think it's like 50 bucks for 8 of these LED strip lights. They plug in together. What I did is basically, where is it? Where are we looking? There it is. See that's where a bulb used to be. I wired in one of those like little converters to turn it into 2 sockets. What that does for me is basically allows me to flick a switch, turn the lights on and off. Super cool, didn't involve any extra wiring or anything. Not the fanciest wiring as you can see up there on the ceiling, but basically I got 8 in the back and 8 up here in the front. Plenty of lighting, no complaints so far. At nighttime, it's like something else we did, as you can see behind me, is this nice gray, light gray paint. This is basically was raw drywall when we first moved in here. They did a horrible job finishing the drywall. It's a garage. Like I said, they don't spend a whole lot of time on it, but you can kind of see up there. And basically everywhere else in the garage, that the drywall is very rough, but this paint, you know, just kind of at least made it blend in a little bit and look a little bit more finished as opposed to just kind of that bare drywall look. Something else I did was go all chip gains and started building shelves throughout the garage. So I put these two shelves in this front corner here. It's kind of my car wash slash, actually that's a tackle box for my kids to do fishing and stuff with. Basically gets it out of the way, but also near the front of the garage because everything else is way back there. So when you're washing cars and stuff, it's nice to have stuff up close to the front of the garage. Pressure washer to wash cars. Obviously hung some random stuff on the wall. Got my tires, got my helmets, got my bikes. One's down here, but I got my bikes. Built this shelf up here. This one's super nice. It's got a lot of storage. Put the garage door up, you don't even know it's there. The shelf in the back here turned out pretty nice. It's a 3-tiered shelf. I got my air compressor underneath. Through the shop vac, finally has a place to live in the center. And then just whatever random nonsense on top. This shelf, kind of a monstrosity, but I wanted to be able to fit my toolbox in here and still have room to kind of slide it to the left and get it out if needed. And also wanted a place to kind of keep the jacks and that little oil reservoir thing. So I just kind of, you know, built around it. It's not my favorite one. I definitely, you know, had to put in a few little supports here and there. This thing up here definitely measured wrong, and had to kind of build this little thing in here to make that work. But when you're running out of 2x4s, you know, you got to do what you got to do. Threw some decorations in here. Really like that powered by BMW Motorsport thing. Got my M stuff. Got my STI, obviously. You know, a boy's got a dream. And as you know, I had the 944, so I had to throw the little Porsche thing in here. I used to have a Yamaha sport bike. So this guy's super cool. I always really like these. I like skateboarding, as you know, and I like E36s. So, you know, got this off of the internet, and yeah, I'm digging it so far. So yeah, basically that's the new garage. I love it so far. It's really nice having that space in the back to keep the lift and the cars. It keeps it out of the way of the family coming in and out of the garage. It keeps all my tools there. It's like a little mini shop within inside of like our normal garage. It's actually, this side of the garage is deep enough I can pull the truck in behind the lift if needed. It's gonna hail or do whatever weird stuff it might be doing that day. So yeah, some updates on the state of the cars. Still have obviously the 95 Daytona Violet M3. We still have the 2017 Forester XT, which I need to do some maintenance on soon. So my Forester people, I know you love the maintenance videos. Those will be out soon. I have my 2018 Toyota Tundra. It's still here and doing well. It's kind of my daily driver, my kid hauler, all that stuff. I had the 944, which we sold. I had actually for the entire year that I wasn't on YouTube, I had a 2018 Subaru Brz with the performance package. It was the World Rally Blue with the Brembos and stuff. Super nice, really liked it. But I have another car on order that's incoming. I'm gonna do another video about the car that I ordered because it's kind of a story with you know, trying to get it and secure the allocation and then trying to actually pick it up and do this cool trip and et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, it's still on order. I'm hopefully gonna get it in the next month or so. So it'll be on the channel. I know a lot of people on Instagram are super pumped about it. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will have already known about it. So yeah, do that if you are interested. Outside of that, no other real changes with the garage or with the cars and stuff. I do have a couple cool neighbors with some cool cars. Guy down the street's got like an FD-RX-7. He actually has a 2016 STI like I used to have, and a couple other tidbits. But yeah, neighborhood's cool. Love the new house. Really looking forward to, you know, making some cool videos and just kind of doing what I want to do on the channel. You know, people still ask me about stuff. They still follow me on Instagram. I do really like YouTube. I literally watch YouTube every single day. Follow a whole bunch of channels, some car stuff, some mountain bike stuff, some fitness stuff, some just all over the place, motivational stuff. And obviously with coronavirus and stuff, I've been spending more time at home. I got more time to do some of this stuff and spending more time by myself. I mean, obviously with the family, but working from home as well, you know, so I got to put my extra energy somewhere, and this seems like a pretty good place to do it. And I miss talking to you guys, you know. We used to have this dialogue here, you know, weekly, monthly, however often I used to make videos. So yeah, I'm hoping to make some more. I can't give you a specific schedule, but I've written down like 10 plus video ideas. That was kind of my thing when I was coming back. I was like, if you're gonna do it, like, do you have ideas on stuff to do? And if you can write down 10, then maybe you should pick up the camera and probably do it. My God, it's hot out here. Yeah, it's summertime and it's super freaking humid. So anyway, stay tuned. You probably see some more Subarus on the channel as well. I know some of you guys are into that, but you're gonna see some more BMWs and other fun stuff. So anyway, good seeing you guys. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you next time. See you.